when the Lord restored the captives to Zion, like prey pulled free from a hungry lion. We were like those who only dreamed to see Israel's captives redeemed. Our mouths were filled with laughter, our tongues with songs of joy after the news spread through the nations of your mercy and salvation. The Lord has done great things for us.